Hello friends, I am Tasiru. Welcome back to my YouTube channel TCN Edit. Today I am going to show you how to reverse footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's check out what this effect looks like. So let's get started. This is my video clip. Let's reverse this footage. Right click on your video clip. Go to speed and duration. Click on reverse speed. Then click on OK. Now your footage is ready. First, cut your video as you want. Then copy your first video clip. Then paste it. Now right click on your second video clip. Go to speed and duration. Then click this. Now I copy my first video clip. Then I paste.
If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and I will see you in the next video.